Today we're gonna be making some lazy cake. 1 cup of cocoa butter. Sugar. Sugar, sugar, how you get so fly? Oh, don't drop, don't drop. Oh, no oil? Oh, shit, yep. Ah, yeah. Easy. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we wanna... Look at that. Once you're done mixing, you're gonna get a bowl with water, and then you're gonna put another bowl with chocolate on it. Let's get it. Wanna kill my mom. Wanna kill my dad. Motherfucker. And now we're gonna break. We're definitely no good. We need a bigger one. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Start mixing shit. Chunky monkey. We're gonna have to store it in the freezer. Get your mold. It's time to drop you. We ran out of rubber gloves. Smash this shit in. Put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes. Ta-da! So bright.